Alright, we're going to be looking at a good way to attach a pull cord to some cable. So here we have some Ethernet cable, and for this example I'm just going to use this piece of rope. It'll be easier to see. Normally you would use a poly cord or something, but this will work for now. So it starts off with a clovefish, so give yourself plenty extra length on the rope. I'm going to come over, we're going to go underneath, cross over in front, behind, we're going to go through that last loop we made. That tightens up, it should look something like this. Okay, now we do some half hitches, so we're going to continue crossing underneath and then pulling it through the loop. Do that again, underneath, pull it through, and for good measure we'll go one more, underneath, pull it through. So it should look something like that when we're done. And then all you need to do is just put one piece of tape on this end. It really just needs to hold the cable. It's not doing any sort of strengthening the knot. It's just keeping it on the cable. So now when you pull from this direction, this knot will just get tighter and tighter and bite down harder and harder. This knot will not come off of this cable. The rope will break or you'll rip your cable in half. But this will not be the fault in your cable pull. You could also put a piece of tape right here if you wanted to stop this from binding up on something as it passes through, so you could kind of tape that towards the end and then taper it onto the actual rope, and that'll help it pass through any notches or hang-ups it finds along the way. So that is the rolling bend for pulling cable. Thank you.